Hi everyone, Amy here with amyswares, and today I'm going to fill up my binder and batch some sentiments. Now I have this new to me happy birthday stamp and coordinating die set. This is a scrapbook.com exclusive. I will link this and all the other products in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find those details. Now here is my sentiment binder. If you aren't familiar, I fill this up. I actually have one for my critters, I have one for sentiment strips, and I have one for die cut or stamped and die cut sentiments. Now this is how I'm able to batch a bunch of cards and have so many ready to go on hand. I find that it really helps me streamline the process and kind of create efficiently. Again, that may not be your thing. Maybe you want to create a card from beginning to end, but I don't have the patience for it, so this is a time-saving hack for me. Now, I'm going to be honest here. This did not go as planned. Usually what I will do is I will lay out the dies and kind of cut out the dies on a blank piece of white cardstock and create a template and stamp within that, and then just keep cutting a bunch of dies and then stamping them. I tried to do it differently this time and it didn't work. So I'm still going to show you the footage. I'm going to speed it along so I don't keep you here all day. But like I've shown you in other videos, I would recommend, if you want to batch and be efficient with time, then instead of stamping first like I'm doing, I would instead take a half sheet of cardstock, put out all the dies first, create a template, put that template in your MISTI, and then just kind of piece in a bunch of white die cuts and have your stamps positioned in your MISTI. I hope that makes sense. But what I did wrong here is I stamped first, and then what I thought I was going to do was take all the dies like I'm doing here, and then I was just going to basically super tape them all together and kind of keep that whole taped die cut sheet together and then just kind of transfer it over onto multiple already stamped sheets. Needless to say, it didn't go well. It was a bit of a mess. You'll see in a moment, the pieces all kind of, the tape kind of all fell apart. It shifted. The tape got all inky because it was pigment ink that I was stamping with. It didn't go great. So this is a fail. Okay, guys, don't do it this way. I was still able to be productive and get, I think, 4 different sets of this to contribute to my binder. But again, this is not the way I would do it. You can see it's a big mess. I got ink everywhere. This was not a successful plan. So again, if it doesn't make sense, I'll try and link a video that will explain what I'm talking about, where I do the die cut batching first. Now here what I was thinking was like, oh, well, I've still got the die cut template. Maybe I can nestle in the dies and still kind of keep it in one sheet. And again, it didn't work. It just hot mess. Just do yourself a favor. Die cut first on a blank white piece of paper, create a template, and then cut a bunch more white ones, and then line up your stamps accordingly. And that will save you some time. So here you can see I have the satisfying job of filling up my binder. These are baseball card pocket protector sheets, and I loaded them up with more ready to go for future cards. So thanks so much for spending time with me. I will catch you next time.